Creating a family is one of life's most exciting and fulfilling experiences. This is especially true for people using assisted reproduction technologies. In vitro fertilization procedures and surrogate maternity are by nature highly complex and rewarding for everyone involved. They also require more time and financial commitment. The fact is, if you want to be able to really relax and enjoy the journey, you need the help of a specialty insurance provider who can give you total control over your process and eliminate many of the associated expenses and stresses and financial worries. That's why people from around the globe turn to New Life Insurance Agency to receive the best and most comprehensive IVF coverage and maternity medical insurance programs available. New Life is recognized by prominent doctors, agencies, attorneys, and major medical insurers as the premier authority when it comes to providing assisted reproduction insurance and helping U.S. citizens and international intended parents truly enjoy the experience of creating a family. Using the strength of the world's most trusted insurance market as a Lloyd's of London underwriter, New Life delivers peace of mind by giving you complete control over the expenses related to the cost of IVF conceptions and pregnancies. Our surrogate maternity and cycle medical plan provides standalone medical coverage for surrogates that ensures they receive excellent medical care with high limits of coverage. If you're a patient diagnosed with infertility or you're unable to carry your unborn baby, New Life offers the Assisted Reproduction Insurance Program, which ensures one global price for the entire process, from infertility diagnosis through IVF treatment and procedures to maternity care and childbirth. All of New Life's insurance programs work together and provide you with significant savings and discounts on infertility medication for patients and intended parents, as well as egg donors and surrogates when necessary, using the Fertility Pharmacy Care Card. In addition to filling the gaps in your traditional insurance coverage, our programs can save you more than 50% on the cost of standard infertility services and medications, totaling thousands of dollars over the average treatment term. Instead of paying for potentially years of co-pays and deductibles, you pay one flat fee for complete medical coverage you know you can count on. Plus, you can purchase any type of coverage you need at any point in your process. All claims come to us directly, and we manage everything, giving you the freedom and confidence to enjoy your journey into parenthood with the best medical care and the best insurance available. New Life Agency. It's the beginning of a whole new world. You face enough challenges when you choose to create a family with assisted reproduction technology. Don't let medical expenses be one of them. We're here to help. Contact a policy coordinator now to discuss our specialty coverage areas and your options, or visit newlifeagency.com to quickly find out if an existing surrogate qualifies. Thank you.